All right, what's going on, guys? Today is kind of a funny day. I'm actually here to check out my auntie's car. She just wants some coolant and the other fluids checked out, but that's not why we're here today. We're here today because after this, we're gonna get into some fun stuff. I actually may have another car potentially to do a build on. It's crazy. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So you guys stay tuned and you'll know more information about what kind of car it is and what kind of builds we'll be doing. So just stick around, man. I'm really excited, man. It's really cool, man. I've been waiting for this car. Been waiting and waiting to get this car, and it finally looks like we may be able to get it. So
all right, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to go take a look at this new car, and we ended up buying it. Come along, y'all can come on this journey with us, man. I'm so excited, man. I don't even have the words for it. It's gonna be awesome. I've been really wanting this car for a minute. There's a lot of work that needs to be done to this car because it isn't driving. So, but it's gonna be good. After we're done with it, man, it's gonna look nice, clean, but it's gonna be a lot of work and a lot of videos. So you guys stay tuned. Yes, sir. New car, man.
all right, guys, 15 seconds in, and look at this. No more thunderstorm. You gotta love Georgia weather, right? It's already stopped. Now, came out here to actually see if the target top, or the T-top. The T-top leaks, and it doesn't look like it. There's a leak right here in the front part. You see that little droplets of water? Yep, man, this interior's gotta go. So it actually is kind of leaking back here on this side in the front. At least I see water, so it's gotta be leak or signs of leakage. We gotta get it running, and so we're gonna go ahead and try to pull the engine out and try to strip it down, take a look at it, see what's going on and what can we do. What's going on, y'all? It's the 1st of June. It's hot, but we're still gonna do some car work today, man. Alright guys, so right now today we're actually gonna work on the 300 and try to get the motor pulled out of this car. I know that we haven't fully finished the HHR pulling removal of the motor. The trans axles just have to come off, but at the moment we're gonna actually focus on the 300 because the quicker I can pull the motor out, the quicker I can know what's actually going on with the car and the motor and what I need to order to get it ready. So, whew. A lot of work to do, y'all. A lot of work. So, definitely use an extension. So, wrong size, guys. Instead of a 10, it might be an 8. So, what I'm trying to do right now is take off the hoses, try to clear up some more space, probably disconnect the sensors up front, coolant hose definitely has to come off. I'm not sure if the radiator comes off or not. I'm not quite sure on that, guys, but you know, if you guys know something, let me know. Ah, okay. Yeah. It's cool, man. Huh? A 300ZX. Yeah. Yeah? Huh? Keep it. That was my neighbor, guys. For guys who don't know, he actually kind of gave me the thumbs up when I told him I was keeping it, because, yeah, man, it's a cool car. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the video right here for now to take a couple pictures of the engine and kind of see where everything is at the moment, and so I know how to put it back later. Alright, so I'll be back shortly. Alright, so I was actually confused on why I took off. I don't even know what that is. It's like a railing connected to like I guess the intake and where the fuel meet. I don't know. But I was confused on why I was taking that off until I remembered I needed to get that off to get to this this bolt here. So I was confused on why I was taking this bar here off. But then I remembered, I was like, oh, it was blocking this line right here. It's bolted down right here and I couldn't get to it. So okay, I'll see that. This bolt right here. Couldn't get to it. Clearly forgot. Like, just had a whole brain fart there, man. Oh, remember now. So let's get this thing done. Man, it's hot. I really just scratched the surface. Haven't really got too much done. It's kind of going slow because I partly never taken this engine apart before.